Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Christmas tree bag is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any holiday enthusiast looking to preserve their festive centerpiece, ensuring it remains in pristine condition year after year, making the daunting task of storage significantly more manageable and less of a hassle, ultimately saving you time and preserving the beauty of your cherished holiday decoration for seasons to come. Number 5. Zober 9-foot large Christmas tree storage bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe and sound. Our bags shield it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it stays perfect for next year. Made from heavy-duty, waterproof plastic, this storage solution is built to last. You can rely on its durability for many holiday seasons to come. Moving your tree is a breeze with our reinforced handles. Transporting it between storage and your living room has never been easier. Never forget what's inside. An attached card slot lets you easily label and identify the contents, so you always know which tree is which. Getting your tree in and out is simple thanks to the wide dual zipper. Just unfold, place your tree, and store it away with ease. No assembly needed. What we like? This bag offers robust protection against dust and moisture, ensuring your tree stays in great condition. Its durable construction means it will last for many seasons. If you are looking for a reliable and straightforward way to protect your artificial Christmas tree from the elements and make it easy to identify in storage, this is a great choice. What people say. This bag is large enough to hold my 10-foot tree with plenty of room to spare. The material is heavy-duty and seems like it will hold up for many years. It has sturdy handles that make it easy to carry, even when full. Number 4. Zober Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound all year round. Our storage bag offers superior protection against dust, moisture, and damage. Crafted from strong, waterproof plastic, this bag ensures your tree stays protected from the elements. It's built to last, season after season. Designed to accommodate most artificial Christmas trees up to 7.5 feet tall. It provides ample space for a snug and secure fit. Featuring strong, durable handles for easy transport and a convenient label card slot to quickly identify its contents. Storage has never been simpler. Ensure your Christmas tree remains in pristine condition, ready to be showcased for holidays to come. It's the perfect solution for hassle-free storage. What we like? This option provides excellent protection from dust and moisture, keeping your tree pristine. It's specifically designed for smaller trees, making it a perfect fit. If you have a 7.5-foot artificial Christmas tree and need a durable, waterproof solution to keep it safe during the off-season, this bag is ideal. What people say. The bag is sturdy and well-made, with reinforced handles that make it easy to carry. It comfortably fits a 10-foot tree, even with some decorations still attached. The zipper is heavy-duty and runs smoothly, making it easy to open and close. Number 3. Handy Laundry Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This bag is designed to accommodate trees up to 9 feet tall. It even has extra room for your tree toppers and lights, making holiday storage a breeze. With a double-pull zipper, accessing and loading your tree is simple. Sturdy handles make it easy to carry or pull, ensuring hassle-free storage. Crafted from a sturdy, tarp-like material, it maintains its shape even when full. This ensures a durable storage solution that will last for many seasons. Keep your valuable holiday decorations safe from dust, moisture, and pests. You can store your tree with confidence, knowing it will be in pristine condition for next year. Its generous size and sturdy construction make it perfect for more than just Christmas trees. Use it to store other holiday decorations, outdoor cushions, or even as a moving bag. What we like? This bag is designed to hold not only your 9-foot tree but also extra decorations like lights and toppers. Its sturdy, tarp-like material ensures it maintains its shape and offers long-term protection. If you need a large capacity storage solution that can also house other holiday accessories, or even be used for other storage needs, this versatile bag is an excellent option. What people say. The bag is large enough to hold a 10-foot tree with ease. It is made of durable material that seems like it will last for many years. The zippers are heavy-duty and glide smoothly, making it easy to open and close. Number 2. Zober 600D Oxford Fabric Large Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe from dust, moisture, and damage. Ensure it stays in perfect condition, ready for next year's festivities. Made from tough, waterproof, and tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, this bag is designed for long-lasting durability. It's built to protect your tree for many holidays to come. With 3 reinforced handles, carrying your tree to and from storage is a breeze. Move it easily between rooms or to its storage location without any struggle. This festive bag makes locating your tree simple, even in storage. Plus, a convenient card slot lets you label it for quick identification. The wide opening with a dual zipper makes placing and removing your tree incredibly easy. Just unfold it, insert your tree, and it's ready for storage. No assembly needed. What we like. Crafted from heavy-duty, tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, this bag offers superior durability and protection. It features 3 reinforced handles for exceptionally easy transport. If you prioritize a highly durable bag that can withstand wear and tear, and you need the easiest possible way to move your tree, this option with its multiple handles is the one to consider. What people say. The bag is made of durable material that has held up well. It has sturdy handles that make it easy to carry the tree. The zipper is heavy-duty and operates smoothly, making it easy to close. Number 1. Holiday Spirit Heavy-Duty 9-Foot Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your holiday decorations organized year after year. This spacious bag is perfect for storing artificial trees up to 9 feet, garlands, and lights. Shield your artificial tree from dust, moisture, and pests. It's designed to keep it in excellent condition for every holiday season. Crafted from strong, tear-resistant, and waterproof 600D Oxford canvas. It's built for secure, long-term storage in your attic or garage. Moving your stored items is simple thanks to reinforced, triple-stitched handles. They provide strength and comfort, even when it's fully packed. Loading and unloading is a breeze with the smooth dual zipper. It opens wide, allowing easy access without damaging your decorations. What we like. This bag is constructed from strong, waterproof 600D Oxford canvas, providing excellent protection for your 9-foot tree and decorations. The reinforced triple-stitched handles make it comfortable and easy to carry. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, tear-resistant bag with enhanced carrying comfort and a wide opening for effortless loading, this is a fantastic choice for secure, long-term storage. What people say. The bag is large enough to hold a 10-foot tree. It is made of durable material that seems like it will last for years. The handles are strong and make it easy to carry the tree. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.